Homemade food is the best. Learn how to cook. The best thing you can do. Cooking is just... Now, I'm gonna eat Cactus. Look, so nutritious. Real soft. No wonder why the cows and the bulls like this. They're so good, especially with lime and some, what do you call that? Some salsa. Ooh, delicious. Or when you grill it outside, oh my God, it's so good. I just put it over there to boil, that's it. You know, cook by yourself. You wanna add some lime, it will taste really good. Some lime, oh my God. Some seasoning, it will taste really good. I'm telling you, woo, good.